Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, we are going to solve the card related problem related to probability. This is the question number 14 and we are going to solve question 14 and 15 of exercise 14.1 of probability of NCERT Mathematics textbook. Okay, so this is also very common question that have been asked in the exams related to cards. So understand how the cards distribution is made, then only you will be able to solve the problems related to cards. So in cards you will be having two colors of cards. So if you have played, you might be knowing. If you have not played also, no problem. So this is the distribution of cards. Totally there will be 52 cards, and then in out of 52 cards there will be clubs. So clubs, what are clubs? Clubs is in this shape. Okay, so if the cards has this kind of shape, then it is called as clubs. And how many clubs are there in out of 52 cards? You can observe it is 10. So from it is 1 is not called it as 1 in the cards, it is called as ace. Okay, so from 1 till 10 is clubs. Then we have diamonds, that is also 10 cards. Then we have hearts, that is also 10 cards. And spades is also 10 cards. And out of these cards you have black and red color. So all the cards you can observe here, always the clubs and the spades will be in black color, and diamond and heart the cards will be always in red color. Okay, so 10 you can observe 20 red and 20 black. Now out of excluding these cards, there will be 12 special cards: jack, queen and king. Okay, so there will be 4 jack, there will be 4 queen, there will be 4 king. So out of 4, one will be among the you can say it as clubs, and one will be diamond, one will be heart, one will be spade. In the same way queen also, in the same way king also. So this is the distribution that you need to know to solve the card related problem. Now let us start solving it. And before solving, we can we need to read the question properly. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So out of 52 cards, one card has been drawn. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Okay, so let me just write. There are how many total cards present? There are totally 52 cards. Okay, or you can say n of s is equals to 52. Now part 1 of this video, they are asking you to find the probability of getting a card which is a king of red color. So you need to search in this king of red color, they have asked you. So here is the king, and among the king it should be only red color. You cannot consider this and this king. So how many kings are there which is in red color? So this and this 2 kings are there which is red in color. Right, so you need to mention that there are 2 red color red king. Okay, red color king or red king. Okay, so we are finding the probability of getting red color king. So P of K, let me write, or P of RK, let me write. Red color king we are finding, no? So red color king, n of red color king, or you can just write full form if you are getting confused. Write full, red king or red color king is equals to total number of red color king divided by n of s, total number of cards. So you can observe there are only 2 red color kings, so it is nothing but 2 by 52. So 1 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12. So 1 by 26 is the answer that you have got for getting the red color king. Then coming to the next part of this question, they have asked you to find the probability of a face card. Oh, that I have forgot you. All these jack, queen and kings are face card. The face will be drawn on this card. So if you have played the cards, or else you have seen it, you might be knowing it. And if you don't know, I am just telling you, the jack, queen and king cards will be face card. It will be drawn here, jack here, and here queen will be drawn for all these cards, and here kings will be drawn. Fine. So there, how many face cards are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 4 are 12. Right? So there are 12 face cards. Right? So what is the probability of getting face card? Probability of face card is equals to total number of face cards divided by total number of cards. So that I have indicated with the letter S, face. So how many face cards are there? 12 divided by 52, right? So 2 6 are 12, and here 26 are, then again 2 3s are 6, and here it will be 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what is the answer you got? 13 divided by 3 divided by 13. Okay, so the probability of getting a face card is 3 by 13. So you need to minimize how much you can simplify it. Let the answer be in simplified form. Then part 3 of this question. A red face card. Okay, this question and this question you need to understand. Here they have asked you only face card, but this part of the question they have asked you a red face card. You need to go to the face cards and you need to find out the red face card. Okay, so how many are there cards are there which are having red face card? So this. So how many are there? 6. There are 6 red face cards, right? So you can observe there are 6 red face cards. Now we will be finding the probability of that red face cards is equals to total number of red face cards divided by total number of cards, n of s, right? Then how much do you have? Total number of red face cards, it is 6 divided by 52. So 2 3s are 2, 26 are, right? So 3 by 26. So this is the probability of getting red face card. So now the next part of this video, next part of this question they have asked you the jack of heart. Okay, so they are asking you the jack. So come to the jack column of heart. How many jacks are there which is in heart, or which come into the category of heart? How many are there? Only one, right? Because they have said you clearly jack of hearts they have said. So jack, you need to come and you need to go to the heart, or this one column, row. So it is only one card, right? So let me write here. Or there is one jack of heart. So what will be the probability? Jack of heart. Probability of jack of heart is equals to number of jack of heart divided by total number of cards. So jack of heart is only 1 divided by total number of card is 52, right? So you got the probability as 1 by 52. Okay, now coming to the next part of this question. A spade. Find the probability of getting a spade, they have asked you. So spade, this is the row for spade, and they have said a spade, they have said, so any card you can take. So out of these spades you can take any spade. So from 1 to 10, so 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are totally how many spades present in out of 52? There are 13. So there are 13 spade cards. Okay. So probability of getting spade cards is equals to total number of spade cards actually divided by total number of cards that I have indicated with the letter n of s. So there are 13, right? 13 spade cards divided by 52. So what are you going to get? 13 ones are 13 fours are. So 1 by 4 is the answer of what is the probability of getting a spade. Now, sixth part of this question, they have asked you to find the probability of the queen of diamond. So you need to come to the queen column. Queen of diamond they have said. So this one. So how many are there? Queen of diamond, only one, right? So there is one queen of diamond, right? So probability of queen of diamond is equals to number of queen of diamond divided by total number of cards. So only one queen of diamond is there. 1 divided by 52 is the answer. So this is how you will solve the problems related to cards. So you need to understand clearly. If they have asked you about 52 cards, you need to know what are the cards present, which are the color present, how many face cards are there, everything you need to know. Then only you will be able to solve the cards related problem related to probability. So this is the next question that I have taken from the textbook from exercise 14.1. This is also related to the cards, but they have not told you in this question there are 52 cards. Okay, so in this question they have said clearly 5 cards. What are the cards that they are talking about? 10, jack, so this is a jack that I was talking about, queen and king, and also ace. So these are the 5 cards they are talking about in this problem, are well shuffled with their face downwards. So they have well shuffled by keeping their face downwards, and one card is then picked up at the random. So one of the card has been picked up at the random, and they are asking you to find the probability that the card is queen. So there we need to first write how many cards totally are there. There are, okay, or we can just write as like this, total number of cards. Total number of cards. So total number of cards that they have considered in this particular problem. Okay, so in this problem they are not talking about 52 cards, or they have just taken 5 cards. So n of s is 5. Now part 1 of this question, what is the probability that the card is queen? So how many queen are there in the out of these 5 cards? Only one queen, right? So there is one queen. Okay, so there is only one queen among these 5 cards. So probability of getting queen is equals to number of queens divided by total number of cards they have considered. So here number of queens, how many are present that they have considered for this problem? Only one queen. So 1 divided by 5, right? So this is the probability of getting queen. Okay, now part 2 of this question, they are saying you, if queen is drawn and put aside, so now total number has become 4. Okay, before it was 5. Now queen has been removed from this 5. So there are now 4 cards totally. So let me just write that. After removing queen, total number of cards that is n of s, it has become 4. Okay, and if the queen has been removed, then there is no queen actually. What is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace and they are asking you a queen? So if part A I am saying, so after removing the queen, how many total cards are there? 4. And how many ace are there? Only 1. So there is 1 ace. So probability of getting ace is equals to number of ace divided by total number of cards. So it is nothing but 1 divided by 4. Yeah, now you will not write 5. Why? Because the one card has been removed and kept it aside. So now the total number has been reduced to 4, right? So now the next part B of this question, let me solve it. Part B, they are telling you to find the probability of getting a queen. So queen was there before, but now the queen has been taken up and it has been kept it aside. Now there is no queen out of these 4 cards. So there is no queen. There is no queen. So probability of getting queen. For the first attempt, queen was there, but for if the queen has been it has been kept it aside, then there is no queen there, right? So probability of getting queen is number of queens divided by total number of cards. So there is no queen, so 0 divided by number of cards that have been present after removing the queen, it is 4. So 0 divided by any number is 0 itself. So the probability of getting queen is 0. So that's it for now. In the next video, we will be solving few more questions related to probability. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.